narrate a story of Peppa Pig. Pedro's tough. It is a school day. Peppa and her friends are having a music lesson. Then Madam Dizal said, I am going to sing the song. And then she started singing the song. Moo! A dolly had a dolly. Then Pedro started coughing. And he said, sorry, Madam Dizal. Then Pedro has a cough. Then Madam Dizal said, don't worry, I'll ring Dr. Brown Bear. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, Dr. Brown Bear speaking. Then Madam Dizal said, hello, doctor. A child is ill at the school. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, don't worry, I'll be straight there. Then Dr. Brown Bear drove to the school. Then he reached and said, what is the problem? Then Pedro said, I have a cough. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, is it a tickly cough or a chesty cough? Then Pedro said, I don't know, but it goes like this. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, I think you need medicine. Take this medicine. I don't think it tastes very nice, but you have to. Then Pedro ate the medicine and said, it tastes like a shoe full of jam. Then Peppa said, Dr. Brown Bear, have you ever been ill? Then Dr. Brown Bear said, no, I eat apple every day. That's why I don't get ill. But I didn't tell you something. When someone has a cough, sometimes other people have coughs too. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, okay, goodbye, I'm going. Then Susie and Danny had a cough. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, I was right. Now Susie and Danny has a cough. Now you need medicine. Then Susie ate the medicine and said, it tastes like custard and yogurt mixed in a bowl. Then Danny Dot also eat the medicine and he said, it tastes like flowers. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, okay, goodbye. Then he reached his home. Then it is home time. All the parents have come to pick up their children. Then Pedro said, Mommy, Daddy, I had a cough. Then Danny Dot said, Dr. Brown Bear and came and looked after us. Then Susie Sheep said, he gave a horrible medicine. Then Peppa said, Madam Dizal, can you sing the song now? Then Madam Dizal said, yes. Moo! A dolly had a dolly. Now Madam Dizal has a cough and all the grown-ups have cough too. Then Peppa ringed Dr. Brown Bear and she said, Hello, Dr. Brown Bear. It is Peppa Pig speaking. All the grown-ups are ill. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, Don't worry, Peppa. I'll be straight there. Then Dr. Brown Bear rode to the school and he reached. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, What got Pedro's stuff? Then everyone said, Then Dr. Brown Bear said, Oh, you need medicine. Then all the grown-ups said, Then Madame Giselle said, It tastes like custard and wood sorts. Then Peppa said, Who looked after you? Then Dr. Brown Bear said, No one looked after me. And then Dr. Brown Bear has Pedro's stuff. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, Don't worry, I will be not ill in some days. Then he drove to his home and he reached. Then Madame Giselle said, Oh, Dr. Brown Bear, he has no one to look after him. Then everyone said, Oh. Then Peppa said, We can look after him. Then Madame Giselle said, That's a great idea. Let's go. Then everyone drove to Dr. Brown Bear's home. Then Dr. Brown Bear said, Who can that be? Then everyone has come and Peppa said, We have come to look after you. Then Danny Dot said, Here are some fruits. Then Pedro Pony said, And some cushions. Then Susie Sheep said, And here is your medicine. Then Dr. Brown Bear ate the medicine and said, It tastes like jammy yogurt custard flavor sauce. Then everyone laughed.